Romania is a place where nature and old stories mix together. Every forest, river, and mountain has a tale to tell. From deep green woods to golden hills, the countryside is full of life and wonder. The past lives in the stones of old castles and the songs of birds. Here, we slow down and notice the small amazing things. A land of whispering wonders, waiting to share its secrets. Let's begin our journey. The Carpathian Mountains are Romania's wild, untouched heart. These peaks hold Europe's last wild forests, where bears, wolves, and lynx roam free. Clear streams cut through ancient trees, feeding rivers and waterfalls. Here, nature teaches us about strength and belonging. This is the crown of Romania, where wildness still rules. Explore and let the mountains change you. Inside the Carpathian Mountains is Transylvania, a land of old stories and living history. Medieval towns with bumpy stone streets and colorful houses stand just as they have for hundreds of years. Strong churches and castles rise from the hills, each with its own story. Bran Castle, known for the Dracula legend, and Corvin Castle, with its tall towers, spark your imagination. Villages here move to the rhythm of the land. Horse-drawn carts, old crafts, and strong communities. The countryside is like a quilt of wildflower fields and ancient oak forests, kept safe by gentle farming. These fields are among the most diverse in Europe for plants and animals, doing well because they live in harmony with nature. Transylvania shows us that history is alive, woven into daily life and the land itself. Here, people and nature live together in a rare balance. Every stone and field tells a story of strength and beauty. In Transylvania, the past breathes with every step. At the end of its long trip, the Danube River creates the Danube Delta, a world of water and life. This huge wet area is a maze of small rivers, lakes, and tall grass, always changing and full of animals. Over 300 kinds of birds come here: pelicans, cormorants, egrets, making it a safe place for nature lovers. Life in the delta happens by boat. Fishing villages do well with the river's gifts, living happily with the water. The people here, many from Russian families called Lipovan, have gotten used to this special land, keeping old ways and being careful with nature. Exploring the delta is like going into another world. Green tunnels of reeds, calm lakes, and hidden willow forests. Sunsets light up the sky, reflecting in still waters, a moment of pure magic. The Danube Delta is a place of deep peace and wild beauty. It's a living reminder of nature's power and grace. Here, every day is a celebration of life. The delta's embrace is something you won't forget. In northern Romania, Bukovina's painted churches are amazing works of faith and art. Their walls are covered in bright pictures, hundreds of years old, telling Bible stories in color and detail. Each church has its own look: Voronezh blue, Moldovița gold, Sucevița green, made from local rocks and plants. These were not just churches, but strongholds, offering safety when invaders came. Inside, quiet courtyards and gardens invite calm thinking. Monks and nuns continue old traditions of prayer and work, adding to the spiritual power of these places. The land around is gentle and peaceful, rolling hills, wooden villages, and a strong sense of old ways. Bukovina's people are proud of their history and their kindness. Here, art, faith, and nature mix into something magical. The painted churches are the soul of Romania, a sign of creativity and spirit. Bukovina is where beauty and strong belief last. Beyond the famous places, Romania hides countless amazing things for people who like to explore. The Apuseni Mountains hide huge caves, Scarișoara's ancient ice, bears caves, old bones, and rock shapes. In Buzău, the muddy volcanoes bubble with cold grey mud, making the land look like the moon. Near Costești, the mysterious trovanții, round stones, seem to grow and move, inspiring local legends. In Maramureș, wooden villages and churches keep alive hundreds of years of traditions and craftsmanship. Here, life moves at a slower pace. Hand-embroidered clothes, carved gates, and warm hospitality. Looking at these hidden treasures shows you a more personal Romania. You might share a meal with local people, hear old stories, or find peace by a quiet stream. These moments make travel meaningful and lasting. The hidden heart of Romania rewards those who go off the main path. Here, quiet wonders are waiting to be found. Our trip through Romania shows a land of amazing variety and beauty. From the Carpathian Mountains to the Danube Delta, from painted churches to hidden villages, every corner makes you feel amazed. These landscapes are more than just pretty views. They are important natural systems full of life and history, but they are delicate, facing dangers from cutting down trees and new buildings. It's our job to protect them for the children of the future. Experiencing Romania reminds us how valuable nature is and our role as its protectors. Walk the mountain paths, sail the rivers, explore the towns, always with respect and a desire to learn. Listen to the land's stories and learn from its people. When we value these amazing things, we are moved to protect them. Romania is a treasure, a gift from nature and history. Let's love and keep safe its magic. May its beauty inspire us all. The story of Romania is one we must help continue.